Solo trip. Make it safer, cheaper, way more fun. Here are 10 travel hacks you didn't know you needed. Look, I get it. The idea of traveling alone can feel big. It's this huge, exciting, maybe a little intimidating thing. You see the pictures on Instagram, the perfect sunsets, the smiling faces. Behind that, planning logistics, that constant question, am I doing this right? I've been there. I've made the mistakes. Overpacked, overspent. Felt a little lost in a new city. But through all that, I've figured out what actually works. So, here's the deal. Real usable tips for your next trip. No fluff. Alright, let's start with the bag. Your entire world on your back, or in a little roller. The biggest mistake people make? Chaos. Just throwing stuff in. Packing cubes. But here's the system. You don't just use them, you weaponize them. Compression and a mental flowchart for your clothes. Speed and efficiency. 2 a.m. in a tiny hostel room, you want grab and go. I run a 3-cube system. Cube 1, every day. A couple of t-shirts, a pair of pants. Cube 2, clean, fresh socks, a backup shirt. Cube 3, dirty. Worn clothes go here immediately. 2 rules. Rule 1, roll, don't fold. A tight roll compresses fabric, it minimizes wrinkles, and lets you see everything at a glance. Rule 2, limited color palette, black, gray, navy, 1 accent color, 3-day outfit layout, everything fits tight, clean is separate, dirty stays quarantined. You can live out of a carry-on for a week, maybe longer. It's freedom. Your passport, your ID, your credit cards, these are your keys to the kingdom. Losing them on a solo trip is a crisis. We're going to build a digital lifeboat. This is non-negotiable. Before you leave, photograph everything. Passport front and back, driver's license, cards, health insurance. Clear and readable. But photos on your phone aren't enough. What if you lose your phone? Upload to a secure cloud like Google Drive or Dropbox in a password-protected folder. As a third layer, email them to yourself. Now, you have 3 copies. It feels like overkill, until it's not. Mantra, 2 backups, 1 offline. Load the same scans onto a small, password-protectable encrypted USB. Keep it separate. First aid kit, hidden pocket, even taped inside your suitcase lining. This isn't paranoia, God, it's preparation. 5 minutes can save days of stress. Let's talk about staying connected. The moment your plane lands, your phone is either your super tool or a brick racking up roaming charges. The old SIM dance is obsolete. It's over. The new way is the eSIM, built into most modern phones. Buy and install before you leave. Keep your home number. Use eSIM for cheap local data. Skip clunky Wi-Fi pucks. eSIM, integrated, seamless, elegant. 3 steps. 1. Confirm your phone supports eSIM. 2. Use an app like Airlines or Holofly. Pick a country plan. Buy it. 3. Scan the emailed QR. Follow prompts. Done. Set to activate upon arrival. Buy a small 1 GB landing pack pre-trip. Your landing gear. Turn off airplane mode. You have data. Look up your hotel. Book an Uber. Tell family you landed. No panic. No Wi-Fi hunt. 1 proactive step. Massive friction removed. Arrive prepared. Start the adventure immediately. Chapter 4. When you're traveling solo, your safety is your responsibility, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Forget complex gear. The most effective safeguards are simple, consistent habits. Pick 1 person back home and set a check-in schedule. Nightly text. 48-hour email. Consistency is the key. Share live location only when moving, not 24/7. A calm breadcrumb trail. Lock screen. Biometrics. Enable Find My. Practice remote lock wipe. A locked, trackable phone is a weaker target. Build a decoy wallet with a little local cash and junk cards. Carry it visible. Hide the real one inside a zip pocket or money belt. If mugged, hand over the decoy. You lose a few dollars, not your trip. Chapter 5. The goal isn't invisibility. It's to not be a target. Blend in. Observe the energy. Match walking pace. Keep your voice to local volume. Step aside to check maps. Avoid loud tourist signals. Bag the camera till needed. Memorize 2 turns before leaving a cafe. Ditch big logos and flags. Simplicity wins. Learn 2 phrases, hello and thank you. Effort changes the dynamic. 5 minutes of dress code research shows respect and reduces your tourist footprint. Blend, move with purpose, and you'll feel welcome and safer. Chapter 6. Main bag stays put. Your Daypack is mobile HQ, pack copies of documents, a tiny first aid kit, a fully charged power bank, a reusable bottle, a small lock, and a pen. Use compartments so you're never rummaging on a crowded bus. Your gear should serve you, not the other way around. Chapter 7. Never grab the first taxi you see. Book arrival transport in advance, official shuttle or reputable app. Download and set up payment before you fly. Land, connect, book, walk to the designated zone. No haggling, no confusion, no scams. Travel by bus or train in the day. Always pick a window seat. Control your space. 2-second checks save money and stress. Chapter 8. Food is a highlight, but costs add up. Eat local, cheaply, and safely. Follow cues of locals. High turnover, fresh and hot, the holy trinity. Make lunch your main meal. Same food as dinner for a fraction of the price. Ask real people where they eat. Trust the busy spot over the 6-language menu. Big lunch, light market dinner, budget intact, stomach happy. Eat boldly and wisely. It's delicious and sustainable. Chapter 9. Solo doesn't mean lonely. Use structured experiences where social interaction is built in. Guided food tours spark easy conversation. Tried this, where are you from? Cooking classes, shared tasks, shared laughs, language meetups. The point is to talk. Meet in public, check reviews, text someone your plan. Cooking class, this address, 6-9 p.m. Simple, safe, show up, participate, be open, connection follows. Chapter 10. Overplanning kills joy. A schedule for every hour is burnout. Travel should be freedom, not a checklist. Plan 1 or 2 anchors, the must-dos. Book only if needed. Leave voids for serendipity. That's where the magic happens. In between anchors, wander with no goal. Build a daily rest block. Recovery reduces stress. If plans change, you adapt, not shatter. Flexibility lets you say yes to unexpected adventures. That yes might be the best day of your trip. So there you have it. 10 real, actionable hacks to transform solo travel. It's not about the perfect trip, it's about tools to handle imperfections with confidence. Worry less about bags, safety, and data. Be more present. Look up, see the incredible world around you. Travel is education, solo travel is a crash course in you. Resourceful, resilient, open. Packing cubes, digital backups, eSIMs. A flexible itinerary. Not tricks, systems that create freedom. The boring foundation for extraordinary adventure. The story lives in detours, surprise conversations, the moments you feel utterly alive. You are the protagonist of this story. Now, the work begins. Which hack will you use on your next solo trip? Comment below, hit subscribe, and save this video for planning day. My job is to give you the tools. Your job is to build something amazing with them. Get out there, be smart, be safe, and have the adventure of a lifetime. The world is waiting. What are you waiting for?